Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be unboxing something from the Spring Loaded event, which was a couple of days ago, maybe a week, I don't remember. The long-awaited item finally arrived. They finally released AirTags after how long? But they're finally here. Are kind of cute. Like, look at it. Look how cute that looks. Now these come in two variations. This is the 1-pack. They also come in a 4-pack. You can also get them customized, which is really cool, which is what I've done with these. So when we open it, we're gonna take a very good look at what the customization looks like. And they also have accessories that you can buy. They have the leather keyring, they have the leather loop, and they have the regular loop. So we're gonna start with the AirTag. If you hear any background noise, I live with the family. So why is this table so messy? Anyway, let's start. How do you open? Oh, that was nice. Okay, I should have a downward angle of it, but I don't. So. Okay, so there's no Apple stickers, which is kind of sad, but it's okay. So they open up like this. I'm just looking in the viewfinder just to make sure everything is in focus. So this is the AirTag. It comes in a one piece because this is a one piece. Let's pull it off. Ooh, I just got it and I already dropped it. Fantastic. Anyways, let's peel off the plastic. Look how cute this looks. I really hope you guys can see the customization. As you can see, I got a little Android type symbol, a poop, and a dragon. At the back, it has the Apple logo. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this is so cute and small. Let's set this up. So let's connect it. It gives you a bunch of different options on where it's going to be, and you can also give it a custom name if you want. But this will reside in my beautiful backpack. It'll also ask you to register it. Now it is connecting it to my backpack. Oh, that's cute. That is absolutely cute. It made a little sound, and now you can click done. So now when you open up the Find My iPhone app, the Find My app, you will see that you have your items as Air. There we go. It is there. It gives you the notifications. You can play a sound. So those are the sounds it plays. And the cool thing is that there is no like speaker grill on any of the sides. The sound comes through the plastic at the top, which is really cool. I absolutely love it. It's textured. The Apple logo is textured. We'll open up some accessories. So the first thing that we're gonna open up is the regular loop. They also come in a bunch of different colors, so you're not limited to one. Well, this is a cool silicone-y texture. So what you do is you open it up like that, and then you just slide your little AirTag into it, and then there we go. Now it's in. Obviously I only got one for now. I am definitely gonna order a lot more. And then you slide it in like that, and then it will create this little thing for you. So it's sort of like a luggage tag that you can like put onto your luggage or slip this into anywhere, and it's really in there. It's not gonna fall out, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is what it looks like with the yellow type of thing. Oh my god, why is it so bright? This ring light is amazing, but yeah. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. And then now we are going to try the leather one, which is a little bit more expensive because it's leather, a little bit more fancy if you want to, you know, take the fancy route. So let's open up the leather one. There we go. I got the leather one, and I believe this is the saddle brown. So as you can see, the leather one feels a lot more premium than the silicone one. They're both great, so you don't really need to have a leather one. This one is just fine. It's beautiful and it works. We're gonna turn off watch notifications. Anyway, so you basically do the exact same. You just pull this out, slip the little AirTag in, flip it, and then slide it through the little thing like that. And there we go. You are all set with your leather AirTag loop, which is really nice. I love the leather one. Honestly, it sounds like you're gonna break it, but you're not breaking it. Anyway, so we're gonna take it out of this. Now we're going to open up the last one, which is the leather keyring. I'm gonna be using this one the most. I also got it in the Baltic blue. Very nice color, nice change of pace from black. So this one, okay, this one's really nice. This one is really, really nice. So just take it out, take off the little plastic. You basically do the exact same thing. You slide your little AirTag in, and then there you go. You can stick these on your keys and you'll never lose your keys. And it's sturdy. It's not gonna come out. Now, if you don't want to get the leather type, you can get another one that Apple sells, but it's from Belkin. The quality isn't as good as the leather keyring, so if you don't want the leather one, you can go for this one. It does the exact same thing, but this one is like a hard plastic instead of a nice leather texture. So you basically put your AirTag into this. It's not a one piece and it's not, you know, like the other Apple ones, and then you just put it into there. There we go. Your AirTag is now safely secured into Belkin thing, and then you take the ring and then you put it on, and then it'll be exactly the same. Not exactly the same, but it'll be similar to the keyring. So I'm gonna use this one. I prefer this one a lot more. Okay, so that's another thing. Taking it off is quite difficult. How do I remove you? Hello? How do I get you out? Oh. I am really not the brightest. You just twist it off. Ow, I just stabbed my nail for absolutely no reason. So yeah, that was the unboxing of these really cute little AirTags. Let's go over some of the features that the AirTags offer. I love these bands. These bands are absolutely adorable. Anyway, so these AirTags come in two very different variations, like I probably said before. They come in a 1-pack, which I bought. They also come in a 4-pack. AirTag, the individual pack, which I have, is $39 Canadian, $29 US. 4-pack is $99 US and $129 Canadian. You can also get them engraved. I believe I showed you. I'm just looking at the viewfinder, please. Can you see them? There we go, that beautiful engravement. I got a poop, a dragon, and a Android type symbol. These are adorable. There's also the little Apple logo in the back. These are rated to be IP67 water resistant and dust resistant, which means you can submerge them for 30 minutes in 1 meter of water. So if you do drop this in the toilet somehow, they will be completely fine. Oh, the little detailing in the ring where it says designed by Apple in California. The battery needs to be replaced. It's not chargeable. This uses the CR2032 cell batteries. It's like a child lock. You just like twist, pop it off, take out the old battery, put in the new one, and you're good to go. The battery will last you a year, about a year. These are great for university students. If you tend to lose a lot of things, this will be perfect. You can always slip this into your bag, and you will always be assured that wherever you go, you will know where your item is, especially if you carry like a laptop or something. You don't want that getting lost. Like the AirTag like integrates into the Find My ecosystem that Apple has. It's a combination of Find My and Bluetooth, which is used to help find your lost item. So this basically, if you put it in lost mode, it'll basically use other people's, you know, like Bluetooth to try to determine the location, which is really cool. And you know, that would seem like a security breach, but no personal information is being shared, like their location, their address, none of that is being shared. It's all encrypted with Apple security and whatnot. You can be assured that your location is not being used for any creepy situation. When you put this in lost mode and someone finds it, they will get an alert on your phone, wherever my phone is, I don't know. Anyways, you'll get an alert on your phone saying, oh, this person lost it, and it'll take you to a web where it'll give them like a number, so if you lose it, you can call them, say, hey, I found your lost item. You can use this to track anything, your keys, your backpack, your luggage, your child, your dog. Speaking of child, if someone, a creepy person or anyone, tries to use AirTags to try to track you, you know how like you have AirPods and then you open an unknown pair of AirPods that are like your friends, and it'll say, these AirPods are not yours. That is exactly what will happen with these. It will give you a little alert onto your iPhone letting you know that there's an AirTag nearby and it's not yours, so beware. Another cool thing with these AirTags is that you can use precision track. So if you have a U1 equipped phone, you can use it to, you know, track your item. Like if it's in a nearby area, you can play like it's like sort of like hot and cold, where it'll direct you to where your AirTag is, and it's really accurate. It's not like it'll say it's in this vicinity. It will actually take you to the AirTag. It plays a little sound, and the sound is like really loud, so you don't have to worry about it being really quiet. You will find it, so rest assured. The leather one only comes in two, a saddle brown and a red, I believe. The difference is that if you look really closely right here, it's like all smooth. But if you look onto the leather one, it has this really cool type of zone type thing. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys did, please make sure to leave a like. Let me know what type of AirTag you got, and like if you got anything engraved, and what type of accessory you got with it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.